Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, Chef Omkar Samat, representing Local Junction. I'm from Bombay. First of all, let me thank Quality NZ for giving this opportunity to be a part of this virtual chef competition, which is a phenomenal initiative in this pandemic. They have sent us two ingredients, guys, and let me tell you about the ingredients. Something what I have here is lamb loin chop, T-bone. Look at the packing they have done here. It's brilliant. I mean, cooking with New Zealand lamb chop is a dream. Like I personally love them a lot. We will talk about this ingredient when I will cook this ingredient that time. And second ingredient what I have here is it's a green mussels all the way from New Zealand. Look at the size of the mussels and look at the quality. I can't wait to, my lunch is sorted today. I can't wait to cook with this. So let's start the mussels first. Let me take you to the ingredients. To cook this beautiful, huge mussel, I have some herbs. I've got some fresh oregano here from my window garden. I've got basil flower. I have dehydrated a little bit in sun for say more than 2 days. Then I've got black pepper, I've got olive oil, I've got some Himalayan salt, candied sweet orange for garnish, then garlic, dried pepperoncino, and for the summery flavor I have some orange wedges in orange juice. Of course, my cooking cannot be complete without two major ingredients. One is butter and second is alcohol. So what I've got here is vodka. I feel like drinking this, but it's too early. So wow, I love the smell of alcohol. Let's start cooking. My hands before I touch any ingredient. So what I've got here is hot pan. Pan is hot now. Let me put some olive oil. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay. Let me put garlic in there. A good amount of garlic. We don't want it to change the garlic color over here. So that's why I'm putting garlic a bit early. So once garlic starts splattering a little bit, we can add some dried pepperoncino. I like it spicy, so I'm gonna add a good amount of pepperoncino. Right. Next, what I'm gonna do is some fresh oregano. Oh, I wish you people could have smelled this, but unfortunately it's a virtual chef competition and you cannot. But I love the smell of garlic, chili and oregano all together. So let's put this beautiful mussels, full of protein, lean fat, rich in omega-3, and they are available now for you in Food Hall, Nature's Basket and Big Basket as well. So now alcohol goes in. Same amount of water. Right. Now let's cover and cook for 2 minutes. So while we are cooking this, let me tell you one thing. If by any chance Stephen Fleming is watching this video, I'm your huge fan. Why Stephen Fleming? Because one of the ambassador and the director of Quality New Zealand is Stephen Fleming, ex New Zealand captain, and I'm his huge fan. I've been following him in CSK, I've been following him in GT20 Canada, then international cricket. One of my favorite captain. So if you're watching this, it's hi to you. So let's plate now. Let me put this beautiful mussels in the plate with some nice orange garlic. Look at them, they're super beautiful, amazingly cooked. Oh god. Now I'm gonna put this all buttery juices, everything on top. I'm not gonna waste anything. Just everything right inside. All my garlic, all my chili, everything. Whoa! Let me clean the plate a little bit. Look at that vodka. Then we have orange. Let me garnish this with a little bit of candied orange, a little bit for the sweetening, and my basil flower. I love basil flower. So I'm not gonna. I haven't put the basil flower in cooking because it's very delicate. It's got a very delicate flavor. If you cook that, like they're not like basil leaves. So if you cook that, they might lose the strong and delicate flavor they have. Alright, let's go. That's my summer mussels for you guys.